Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. My dear students, on March 22nd, World Water Day is observed. Everyone knows the importance of water. If there is no water, there is no life. But these days, there is depletion of water, there is pollution of water, and there is great demand of water for agriculture and industry. There is scarcity of water everywhere. As students, we should know the importance of water and try to save each drop of it. No matter how rich you are, you can't live without water. Green Valley is all set with a presentation on this day, on the day of World Water Day. So I request Aisha ma'am to present a beautiful presentation on World Water Day. Welcome ma'am.
Thank you ma'am. Dear students, there is a popular belief that if there is another world war, then it will be for water. So what does that indicate? That shows the importance of water. Let's enter the presentation. So World Water Day is observed every year on March 22nd. The theme for this year is valuing water. Of course, it is the right theme for this year. So we have to value every drop of water. So World Water Day is held on 22nd March every year since 1993. So this is an important fact you should know, and it focuses on the importance of fresh water. Yes. So as students, you have a lot of idea about fresh water, about sea water and all such facts about water. So I take you through some of the pictures that give us or show us clearly the importance of water. Thank God we are supplied with enough water, else just imagine what the condition would be. We will not be able to concentrate in any aspect of life if we don't have that drinking water. Just look at the situation. Look at the farmers. We hear about farmer suicides. We hear about the farmer strikes. Just see the condition of water. You can see the barren land. And this is one important picture that shows the importance of groundwater. Just imagine, how do we get water? As Keralites, we know that we have wells from which or from where we have plenty of water. But just look at the situation here. How many people are after one well? Just imagine. Yes, so the present status is that 2.2 billion people live without access to safe water. These are just figures. The real scenario is still worse. Today, 1 in 3 people live without safe drinking water. So that shows how scarce the water is in the world. By 2050, there is an estimation that up to 5.7 billion people could be living in areas where water is scarce for at least 1 month a year. So we have our wells at home. So do we have water throughout the year? That is the question these days. Of course not. The well water is reducing, right? There are a lot of wells coming up in close proximities and the water level is decreasing, and we have run out of water. So we know the importance of well water or the groundwater resource. Well, this is one slide that shows you the importance of water. I know as students you know very well the importance of water because you are learning about the facts of water in your textbooks. Yes. About 60% of your total body weight is water, and there are a lot of such facts which you can get from the internet resources. So yeah, so this is one important slide of this presentation. So here I wish to show you the depleting ground resource. Right. I think this particular picture will give you a proper figure or proper idea about it. Depleting, the water level is depleting fast, or just as you see here, the water level is going down and down. In 2005, there is a survey that the level of water was found at 18.77 meters. Through the years, in 2015, that has increased to about 34 meters. Just imagine, we are going far deep into the earth to get fresh water. So what has happened to our water resources? So this is the status of the survey in different states. So from this we understand that India is facing a severe water problem, or we call it water crisis. Well, so save water today or tomorrow, you will pay. So we have already started to pay for water. So surely sooner or later we'll have to pay a lot, or we will have to allot a lot of amount in order to pay for water. So yeah, so it is high time we save water. So save water to save life. Yes. So here, yeah, this is one good solution that we can do, or we can put into practice as students, as children. What shall we do? Rainwater harvesting is one measure that can cut down or curtail the problems related to water. So what shall we do in order to harvest the rainfall? So save the water where it falls and when it falls. Yeah. So this is rainwater harvesting. It is the future of water conservation. So please note down this point, conservation. We need to conserve water. Yes. So when the rainwater falls on the roof, what is done? It is collected and it is filtered, and then it is stored in underground tanks, from where it is supplied to the wells, where the wells get recharged, and then they are pumped to our different needs, like watering the garden, like toilet flushing, like car washing, clothes washing, and so on, and also for cooking and all such needs. So this is one measure that we can do in order to check that water crisis. Yeah, so of course as children you can do a lot in order to save water. So there is a popular advice that's given: you should not waste water while brushing your teeth. You should put off the water until you soap your hands, and also until you finish brushing. And also you should not use much water during shower. Take short showers, ideally 5 minutes or less, 3 to 5 minutes. Yes, if there is such a need, right? Yeah. Then there are a lot of such measures that you can do. Turn off the taps while you clean your vessels. Just open it when you need, and use only the required amount of water while you wash your cars, or while you water your plants in your garden. So there are a lot of things that you can do, right? See, there are washing machines that use a lot of water while washing. So there are modern day gadgets which consume less water. So you have to go for such kind of gadgets. So these are some of the measures that you can take up in order to save water. So we come to the final slide here. When the wells dry, we know the worth of water. No, that shouldn't be the case. We should know the value of water even while we have water. So that is one advice I would like to give you, students. So please save water, because water is equivalent to life itself. Even Prophet Muhammad ﷺ has shown you or given you the importance of water. Even if you take ablution from river, you're supposed to take only the required water you want. So please keep that in mind. Let us save water and save our life. Thank you.
Green Valley Public School, Nellikaparamba, Mukkam, Calicut.